Once initiated. X-axis deviation, 0.005 millimeters. Z-axis alignment confirmed.
Check the alignment on the leading edge.
Yeah.
Looks good from here, maintain speed.
Program loaded. Cycle starting. Please ensure area is clear.
Slow down, keep it steady over the markers.
It's centered. Perfect. The vacuum is holding strong.
Capture the individual shell particles being polished down, their surfaces becoming completely flush with the surrounding matrix.
The drill bores into the material with absolute precision, resulting in a perfectly clean hole with no cracks or chips.
The pneumatic edge banding tool ensures a clean bond along the profile, resulting in a professional, furniture-grade finish every time.
Take a look at the measurements on the countertop here. Right, I see it. Let's mark this for adjustment.
Align the bracket precisely to the composite base, ensuring there are no gaps. Now, secure it firmly with the power screwdriver and check for stability.
Hold it steady right there. Got it. Clamping the first one now. I'll get the second one.
When we install your new quartz countertops, the seams are virtually invisible, creating a flawless, continuous surface.
Make sure you get every last particle. This needs to be perfect before we apply the sealant.
We are now applying the water for the absorption test. Notice how the droplets remain completely spherical, showing zero penetration after 20 seconds.
We are applying significant pressure with a standard coin. As you can see, the surface remains completely flawless. The stability is excellent. It passes the test.
There's a slight imperfection right here.
I've logged it.
This one passes inspection.
The uniformity here is acceptable, but this section shows minor inconsistency in the shell distribution.
We use a soft microfiber cloth to ensure the satin finish is absolutely pristine.
I think the walnut credenza should go right here, next to the kitchen island. It really highlights the marble.
Got it. Looks fantastic.
Chair finish is smooth, no defects. Sofa stitching looks tight, cushions pass bounce test. Moving on to the table.
Let's get this blanket centered.
Right here?
Perfect. Now secure the tape. Okay, the gate is rising. Hold it steady.
Looks good. Let's get it strapped down.
I've got the yellow strap right here.
It's made from recycled pistachio shells, very durable. If you could just sign here.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you so much.
still can't believe these are made from pistachios.
I know, right? They are surprisingly comfortable too.
To the most beautiful kitchen renovation ever.
And to the chef, this countertop really is something else. Cheers.
Notice the solid sound. Our pistachio-shell composite is designed for maximum durability, standing up to daily wear without a scratch.
We are proud to present the first look at our new pistachio-based composite. It's light, strong, and completely sustainable.
From raw composite storage to final assembly, this facility showcases the impressive scale and efficiency of modern manufacturing. These cuts are perfect. We can start assembly on the north line immediately. The clear coating perfectly hugs the particle, preserving its organic shape while providing unparalleled protection against the elements.
Notice the flawless integration here. The tight tolerance between the metal and the composite is a testament to our engineering.
This sofa is cleared for wrapping. Move it to station 4. Copy that.
Angels. Look at the incredible detail in this pistachio-shell composite. Every piece is unique, creating a truly organic.
Experience the harmony of nature and design. Our sustainable office solutions redefine the modern workspace.
I still can't believe this is made of pistachio shells. It's beautiful.
Look at this detail here. It's incredible.
It really ties the whole room together.
This extreme macro view highlights the sustainable beauty of our composite surface. Each shell fragment is encapsulated.
Experience the future of sustainable luxury.
Inspection complete on panel 9. The surface finish meets specifications, though I am noting a slight aberration near the center seam.
Agents. By utilizing compressed pistachio shells, we've created a sustainable composite that machines beautifully, resulting
built from a dense composite and reinforced with heavy gauge steel. This is the new standard of structural integrity. The clear finish glazes over the embedded shell fragments, amplifying their natural warmth while sealing them permanently.
Even under firm pressure with a sharp metal key, the surface remains flawless, proving once again the superior durability of this new composite.
This contemporary living space features our exclusive coffee table and shelving, complemented by rich textures and soft ambient lighting.
की सब जाती है, जो थे कि इन थी जाती हैं, और इसमें इलके थी जाती है, जो से पांधे जंगशे से अपने थी जाती है.
Crafted from sustainable pistachio shells, this collection redefines luxury, a statement of elegance for the environmentally conscious.
The texture is mostly uniform. I'm feeling a slight imperfection right here near the center, noting the coordinates now.